Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe. And if you like any of the items you see, be sure to check the description for links and discounts. Today we're unboxing and trying on the Louis Vuitton Takashi Murakami Ceresis or Cherry Collection Chapter 3 Pochette Métis East-West. Now we are going to dive right in reviewing this bag. But if you are interested in seeing the Cherry Collection packaging, be sure to check out one of our other videos on the Fashion Try-On. Now, the Pochette Métis East-West is a very classic bag. It is actually a shorter and wider, or I guess the same width, but it's a shorter version of the Pochette Métis bag, which is one of Louis Vuitton's most classic designs. Now, in this colorway, it is a white monogram base, and then you of course have the lovely vibrant red cherries right on the front of the canvas. Now, if you have seen some of the other unboxings, you will know that this is not my favorite collection. I am unboxing these for friends and family just so you get a sense of what this collection is all about, what the design principles are, and things like that. Nonetheless, this bag is very standard for Louis Vuitton, so I figured it would be helpful to those looking for the Cherry Collection as well as for the Pochette Métis East-West in general. Now, it does come with two straps, as you're seeing this chain, which is actually a specialty chain, as well as a adjustable vachetta strap. Now, this is actually the first time that I'm seeing the Pochette Métis East-West or even a Pochette Métis like really in hand. I have not been around it too much. I have seen it for a long time because it is so classic and I've always been intrigued by it and I do like the design. However, seeing it in person and seeing that layout inside, I don't think this is the most practical bag for me personally. Why? Because I don't really like the three dividers inside. Although if I do have dividers in there, like at least with this bag, they are pretty relaxed. Nonetheless, I don't like the design of seeing those separate pockets from the outside or seeing them, too distinctly inside. I would so much rather put like a pouch in there or have like a back pouch along the wall of the bag so that I can either use it or have it disappear. Now, keep in mind that I don't love the cherries up close, but seeing them far away on this try-on, I actually think they're really cute. Now, I do think that this bag is proportionate. Keep in mind that this is the East-West, so East-West just means that it's longer left to right or the width. I wonder if the Pochette Métis Classic would feel too tall. It does look like a briefcase, so it does kind of lean into the heritage of being luggage or something travelable. So I generally like the style, but I do think that the East-West is a little bit more dainty, a little bit easier to wear every day. So I do really like the shape. Now, if I were to buy one Pochette Métis East-West, would it be the cherries? Personally, not for me. Let me know in the comments below if you do like this one though, if you have it or if you are targeting it and what you love about it. Now, I do really like the white with red cherries. I think it pops perfectly for the summer. And I really love that you can wear it in so many different ways, either with the chain and make it a little bit more dressy or with the crossbody, make it a little bit more daytime. Let me know what you think about this bag in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching and be sure to subscribe.